Morning. So after a very rainy night at Golden Gate, we had to pack up and head to our second camp, which is just outside Underberg, called Cobham Nature Reserve. We had a whole scenic route planned as close to the mountains as we could possibly be. However, that would have meant that we needed to drive a lot of gravel road. After the rains, I decided not to drive that because of our first experience to Golden Gate. Therefore, we have decided to leave Golden Gate, go Bergville. Via Bergville, we go up to Escort. Escort, we'll go down to Howick. If there is time, we will go and see if we can get to the Howic Falls. We've just taken the road to Bergville. There's a huge sign that says that the road is closed for any vehicles over, or the pass is closed for any vehicles over 3.5 tons. I believe that there is a sinkhole in the road. We are slightly over 3.5 tons, so closer to 4 tons maybe, so I'm sure we would be alright. Enjoy the trip with us. We've got another 320 kilometers to go to our next camp. Yeah, enjoy.
So the day has come that we need to leave Golden Gate Highlands. We've got about 300 to 330 kilometers to drive to our next camp. We have had also a nice stop at Howick Falls and also some scenery roads past the Sterrefontein Dam through Bergville.
So we managed to make a quick stop at Howick Falls. Apparently it's been raining here for the last 3 weeks. So hopefully the falls is nice. Being South African, even in this rain, we will braai. We'll make a plan. At least Cassandra had a brilliant idea of using this route. Like they say in Afrikaans, braai sal ons braai.
And the next day was a beautiful, beautiful day. We took the chance to go into Lesotho. We are going to do Sani Pass. this moment in time, we were around halfway up. We were just headed and reached the switchbacks. At this moment in time, temperatures really plummeted. I'd say by about 5-6 degrees lower than at the bottom. We couldn't keep our hands outside the window to record anymore. It was just too cold. So we had no choice but to record a little bit through the car window. And the worst thing happened to someone. He broke down on a steep uphill. We didn't really want to stop here because we knew that we would have to go back all the way so we can start over again. However, we got a little bit of luck and this was quite level where we stopped. We asked the guy if he needed assistance and he needed water as he was overheating. Luckily, we had 5 liters of water with us. Now, as I've mentioned that it was quite steep, you could see the white car in level with my car. Yes, it was steep. It was very steep. But so worth the outing and the drive up Sani Pass. I would do it any day again. We have reached the top of the mountain. We are in Lesotho.
So we just done Sani Pass, we're up in Lesotho, we just stamped in Lesotho, so we are officially not in South Africa anymore. Sani Pass peak here is 2,873 meters. There's the board behind us. And the temperature difference between the bottom at South Africa and on top here is probably about what, 10 degrees? 10 degrees cooler up here. So yes. Doing a visit in Lesotho most definitely has its advantages. Being at the highest point in South Africa, well, Lesotho, at 3,240 meters, you get this beautiful view. If you do know of any passes, not mountains, passes that is higher than this pass, please do leave me a comment. I will really enjoy reading that comments. While standing at this beautiful place, we're looking down at the kingdom of the mountains, or the Zulu kingdom, or the Sotho kingdoms of the mountains. What a magical place. Come. Here's the youngsters, all they want is some sweets. Up at the highest point in Lesotho. Where are you staying? That side? Where's your house? Is your house A? Where do you sleep? That side? Okay. There's obviously a huge language barrier. Anyway, there we go.
Going to the highest pub in Africa, I have found an active Sotho village. After I have learned some of their cultures in Golden Gate Highlands, this was the ideal opportunity to stop here. I was greeted like this.
This is the Sothos, ne? Sotho. This is the Sothos. In Lesotho. Good stuff, guys.
What a great day going up Sani Pass and spending the day in Lesotho. I would not change this day for the world. Anyway, we got to the end of this video. In my next video, we will be heading to Coffee Bay and Hole in the Wall. If you did like my video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Enjoy. Cheers.